Hey, Black Blockchain Consultants, welcome to the video where apparently Binance has bought CoinMarketCap. These are estimated numbers for approximately 400 million. Who knows what the deal was, because they are not telling us, how much cash, how much equity was exchanged, et cetera, et cetera. We could be high, we could be low with the numbers, so who knows? But we want to talk about this from our point of view, what this really means, and of course, how we can profit from it. So at Black Blockchain Consultants, you know what we do. We have 4 things that we focus on: blockchain jobs and how you can get them, blockchain-based businesses, how you can start and grow them, investing in the blockchain, whether you're investing time or money in a project. And number 4, building wealth from this $3.1 trillion industry. And I think 3.1 trillion is on the low side. So let's look at this article, because there are a few things that I want to share with all of you today. Okay, so this is from Cointelegraph. The crypto community largely approves of Binance acquiring CoinMarketCap. So this occurred on April 2nd, was when the official announcement came out. They had been in talks for months though. So what is Binance, first of all? Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. It is out of China. They have recently reached an agreement to acquire CoinMarketCap, which is the most prominent crypto data website. So I always go to CoinMarketCap in order to figure out what the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything else is. And a lot of people go there as well. They are the #1 place to go to find out what's listed, the top 100 cryptocurrencies. And I was using them for a while to just find out about new projects. So the official announcement came on April 2nd. CMC, which is CoinMarketCap, and Binance have from the very start been working to make the crypto ecosystem more accessible to people all over the world. Additionally, the Binance CEO believes that this latest deal will help the 2 companies build on each other's strengths, as well as make the industry more transparent and approachable. So what's happening here is Binance wants to be to the crypto world what the NASDAQ is to stock markets and what Facebook is to social media. If we're going to do a comparison, that would be one of the best comparisons that we're doing. So again, the rumored buyout was $400 million. So there was a quote here that says, it might appear to be a one-sided deal, meaning that, CMC, if they got $400 million in cash, which I highly doubt it, they've got like the best part of the deal. However, it shows just how important crypto market data is. So data is gold right now. Data is gold. It's actually worth more than dollars and yen and even many hard assets. Okay, our data is worth so much. They're saying here, this is merely the beginning of the merger and acquisition phase of crypto. So one of the things I started talking about a couple of years ago was the fact that big companies were going to start buying little companies out. And when we start talking about investing in the blockchain, one of the reasons why I was trying to encourage us to not just focus on getting crypto, but getting equity in these companies is for this precise reason. Because if you just own the crypto, when that company is sold, you don't get any of the money. But if you own equity in the underlying business, in the LLC, in the corporation, when this company is sold, that's when you get money. Okay, so that's investing in the blockchain. All right, so the deal is highly strategic on multiple levels and will put Binance in an even more powerful position relative to other exchanges when BTC, Bitcoin, heads back towards an all-time high. Binance is making its play here. Okay. So how does the buyout affect CMC and Binance? CMC, since the platform already has a steady revenue generating business with its advertisements and paid API plans. So CMC is already making money. I don't believe they're profitable, but they are generating money. And what Binance is going to be able to do is they're going to be able to use the data that CMC is collecting in order to attract more people to the Binance platform. And when more people are attracted to the Binance platform, and they do deals, meaning they buy and sell their crypto on the Binance platform, Binance makes more money. That's all they're trying to do here. They are constantly looking for ways to penetrate the United States market. In February 2020, CoinMarketCap registered 5.19 million visits from American users, which is roughly 14.1% of the company's web traffic, while Binance only had 8% of its web traffic coming from the United States. Let me say something here with regards to this. The next play after penetrating the American market is penetrating the Black American market. If you agree with me, put yes in the comments, because let me tell you something. Black people make stuff cool. We make stuff cool. So my question to all of you is, how are we going to get in front of this so that we're not just consumers? We actually are going to make money with this. That's why everybody is trying to shout out Akon right now. You know, every other culture is shouting out Akon right now because they're trying to get into the Black community and the hip hop community. I'm not saying we're, above all and the end all be all, but in order for crypto to go mainstream, everything else that has gone mainstream flows through our community. Again, put a yes in the comments if you agree with me. Okay, so why did Binance go ahead and buy CMC amid such uncertain times? Primarily, there are two key factors: customer acquisition and data flow. So when we're talking about investing in the blockchain, investing in blockchain companies like Binance care about customer acquisition and data flow. So when we're thinking, what type of project am I going to invest my time in, invest my money in? What kind of blockchain business am I going to start? What kind of blockchain job am I going to get? Anything that can help with mass adoption of cryptocurrency, mass adoption of the blockchain, customer acquisition, data, these are going to be hot areas. And I want everybody within the BBC platform to really start to recognize this, because not only recognize it, but do something about it. Let's make some moves here. So that is the end of the article. The last thing that I wanted to show you is this is the Pomp Podcast, Anthony Popliano. And he did an interview with the CEO of Binance, and this CEO explains why Binance is paying $400 million for CoinMarketCap. It's a full hour interview. I suggest you listen to it while you are on the treadmill or, doing laundry or whatever else you're doing, in order to understand not only why Binance would do this, but how you can make money from this. What are going to be the opportunities? And as I always say, pick a major. So for those of you who don't know what this means, you're new to me, I always tell people to pick a major. So if you go to college, freshman and sophomore year is general studies. So we have, for example, our Blockchain 101 course, which I want to invite you to participate in, and you can get your certification, Blockchain 101 certification, learning the basics. We also have our BBC membership as well. I'll just throw that in there too. But freshman and sophomore year is all about general studies within within the college. And then junior year, you usually pick a major. You usually pick a career that, or something that you're really going to go deep in and you're going to study. So within blockchain, there are all sorts of careers you can choose, whether in careers, it could be businesses, could be, all jobs or businesses. So you want to think about industries and how blockchain is going to affect certain industries, whether it's healthcare, technology, cybersecurity, things like that. You also may want to consider having your niche or your major be around one of the biggest applications within blockchain, whether it's smart contracts or tokenization of assets, etc. But pick a major. And the final thing I will say is there, between now and summer of 2021, there's going to be a lot of money spent in blockchain. We've talked about this before because a lot of the platforms are getting upgrades by the summer of 2021. So if you want to make money in blockchain, if you want to put your stake in blockchain, you've got a year and a half to get it together. Actually, it's a little bit less than a year and a half to get it together and really get out there and say, this is what we're going to do within the blockchain community. So that's it for me. Again, come to blackblockchainconsultants.com in order to look at our membership, look at our Blockchain 101 course and get certified. And that's it for me. God bless you. Have a great day.